Let us do this question. Saka question yedu iri kuti look at this stem and leaf diagram, and for each of the three keys provided, give A the value ringed. Then B ruzotaura about the width of the interval containing the ringed value. Saka ringing kungoreva kuti kutenderedza, saka the value which is ringed panapa ka9 aka. So we are not going to be answering part B because hatisati taita grouped and ungrouped data in depth to be able to understand that. So what we are going to rather do is answer A, then at a later stage tichaita this question again but answering only B. Saka how are we going to answer A? Saka taudzwa kuti part 1, the width of 30 mu components, key yacho ndio yatinoshandisa iri kuti 12 means 1.2 centimeters. Saka I kana kuti part 1 A tinenge tichianza say tinenge tichiti 19 means 1.9 centimeters. Mapaona, that is what it means. Saka kana key yedu ichiti 12 means 1.2 centimeters, so reva kuti panapao inenge iri 119 which is going to mean 1.9 centimeters. Let us go paku answer the second part. We are only answering A. Second part iri kuti question yedu iri kuti the reaction times for 30 volunteers. Saka panapa key iri kuti 12 means 1200 years of a second, kureva kuti 19 means 1900 years of a second. 1900 years of a second, like that. Let us go to the third part, answering A. Third part, the attendance at 30 matches. Tells what 12 means 1200 people. Kureva kuti 19 means 1900 or 1900 people. Saka this is it. Kana tazoita ma class widths, grouped, ungrouped data in depth, how to group data, etc., we are going to come back to answer B. Otherwise, this is how we interpret that stem plot. Okay. If you have derived benefit from this lesson, may you consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you want to join our class doing advanced level pure maths and also statistics or O-level statistics, you can WhatsApp us on +263 71 521 3310. Thank you and have a nice day.